Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add axolotls into the Minecraft 1.17 beta. And like the title says, you do not require any mods whatsoever. It is completely in vanilla Minecraft, and there are basically three different colors of axolotls: the yellow, the pink, and then the white axolotl. And you can also get baby axolotls which look really cute in my opinion. So let me just show you guys the spawn egg, and you also have a bucket of axolotl. Basically it works just like a bucket of fish. You can just right click a bucket with an axolotl that is underwater, and you can capture it. And what's amazing is that they can also stay outside, so they are amphibians basically. They can stay outside and inside. Basically the brown ones are outside. Oh, there are brown ones as well. So four, sorry, my bad. There are four different colors, but brown is just really rare, and yellow is probably the most common one, since every time I was spawned I basically got a yellow axolotl. And you can also get baby ones. So let me just right click. As you guys can see, look at that cute little guy. Derpy but cute, yeah. Alright, so now without further ado, let's begin. So firstly, what you're going to do is open up the Minecraft launcher. And now once you guys are over here, what you'll need to do is go ahead and click on this download arrow, and you should see the latest snapshot right over here if you have played in the previous snapshots. But if you haven't played in the previous snapshots, what you need to do is head into the installation tab, which is over here, and then go ahead and tick versions. Under versions, go ahead and tick on snapshots. Now remember, this is important. And once you tick on snapshots, what you need to do is go ahead and click on new, and then version. All right, so just select this arrow, version, and then you'll see snapshot 20W51A. This is the latest snapshot. Basically this snapshot adds in the axolotls, and so you're just going to select this. You can name your installation whatever you want. So for this video I'm just going to name it axolotl. Go ahead and create it. So it should be over here. Just go ahead and locate it. As you guys can see, axolotl. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and hit on play, and when you do this for the first time, it's going to download the installation, which is around 60 MB, so not really that much. Alright guys, and now that Minecraft has loaded up, as you guys can see, so Minecraft 20W51A snapshot, you can go ahead and enjoy this snapshot. It's really amazing. And if you want to load up any of your old worlds, basically what you need to do is go ahead and select this and create a backup of this. So just select this, go ahead and click on edit, and then what you're going to do is go ahead and click on make backup. All right, so if you have a survival world that you want to play in the latest snapshot, which is 20W51A, and you want to enjoy the axolotls and everything, and you can go ahead and enjoy that. And yeah, so this is basically how you add the axolotls into the Minecraft 1.17 beta, guys. This is really awesome. And if you did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now, see ya.